In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share an editable Google Docs spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your spreadsheet and select the File tab up at the top, and then select Share, and then you can select Share with Others. And then just type in their name if they were a contact in your email, or just copy and paste your email address. You can adjust their permissions by clicking the drop down next to their email if you want to have them as an editor or just a viewer, for example. And then you would select Done to share, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.